Ni ati etekia a dini ya Gĩithĩramu ũmũthĩ ni maumũrũrũkĩte kũndũ gũtiganĩte ũkũngũĩri-inĩ wa thigũkũ ya Eid al-Adha. Atongoria a dini no morĩtie mũingĩ wa bũrũri ũige thayũ na kũria thirikari ĩkĩrĩre kũhũthĩria a Kenya ngarama ya mũtũrĩre. Aingĩ a etĩkia ũmũthĩ matinahota gũthĩnja kumana na ngarama ya igũrũ ya mũtũrĩre, kuona mahiũ onamo no magĩte goro.
Why does it have to be maswali ya fatil? What is wrong for us and the leadership of the coast to sit with the president? Presidency is the center of development. So people go to engage so that they can develop the areas. Paka kwa nini only in the coastal region when leaders sit with the president, then maswali yanaulizwa, mbona mnaka vipi nyinyi? Mbona jambo kuuliza watu wasi haya?
Kenya ni Kenya, Waislamu ni wa Kenya, Wakristo ni wa Kenya. Ile tunahitaji ni umoja wa Kenya. Ndio maana mnaona tunawaambia mchihatari sana na wale wa kabila, wale walisema Waislamu wasipewe identification.
We don't want retrogressive political leaders ambayo wanataka kugawanya hii nchi kwa misingi ya kikabila na wanaanzisha vyama vya ukabila. Tunawajua usiku na mchana. Kenya tunataka iwe moja. Muislamu akuwe na haki, Mkristo akuwe na haki, kila mtu ambaye anaamini dini yake akuwe na haki.
Coming to this orphanage not only solidates my cause as a mother, but also it amplifies my cry inside as a daughter and as an orphan child myself. There's no way we outgrow orphanage. Once an orphan, always an orphan. It doesn't matter whether you're 60, whether you're 100, if your parents leave you too soon, that pain stays with you and it's part of you. And today, I'm here to solidify that. And the best way I could do and the best way I could celebrate is to come and be part of these children, these amazing children of Madera County, the Orphanage Center.
Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Kiambu